There was no dramatic video from the impeachment managers on Thursday. Instead, there was a warning. Donald Trump had a history of political violence, and if he wasn't convicted, then there would inevitably be more.
The attack was done for Donald Trump, at his instructions, and to fulfill his wishes. Donald Trump had sent them there.
We love him. We love you, bro. No, he'll be happy. What do you mean? We're fighting for Trump.
All of these people who've been arrested and charged, they're being held accountable for their actions. Their leader, the man who incited them, must be held accountable as well.
Hey, we were invited here! They swore off
They're leaving so you can take that. They're leaving so you can take that.
We were invited by the President of the United States!
Waiting on their brothers, man.
If we don't draw the line here, what's next? What makes you think the nightmare with Donald Trump and his lawmaking and violent mobs is over? If we let him get away with it, and then it comes to your state capitol, or it comes back here again, is there any political leader in this room who believes that if he is ever allowed by the Senate to get back into the Oval Office, Donald Trump would stop inciting violence to get his way? Would you bet the lives of more police officers on that?
I'm not afraid of Donald Trump running again in 4 years. I'm afraid he's going to run again and lose, because he can do this again.
The Democratic impeachment managers quoted extensively from Republicans who had blamed, criticised and condemned Donald Trump for what happened here on Capitol Hill on January the 6th, a clear message to the Republican senators now sitting in judgment.
Impeachment is not to punish, but to prevent. We are not here to punish Donald Trump. We are here to prevent the seeds of hatred that he planted from bearing any more fruit.
Many of the insurrectionists that President Trump incited to invade this chamber were dangerous. People on the FBI watch list, violent extremists, white supremacists.
Out over your paycheck! You guys! You can't even call yourself American!
I challenge you all to think about it. If you think this is not impeachable, what is? What would be? If President Trump's lawyers endorse his breathtaking assertion that his conduct in inciting these events was totally appropriate, and the Senate acquits Donald Trump, then any president could incite and provoke insurrectionary violence against us again. If you don't find this a high crime and misdemeanor today, you have set a new terrible standard for presidential misconduct in the United States of America.
Donald Trump's defence team will now take about less than half the time allowed to present its defence, convinced it has the votes to stop the conviction of Donald Trump on the charge of high crimes and misdemeanours.